Hello and welcome back to the Asthmatic Dragon. In today's episode, the interior is coming out. Now I decided to remove the seats and center console off camera, since I already showed that last episode. Today we'll move on to the back seat, remove the dash, probably A-pillar trims, headlining and so on. So, let's get into it. So, first thing to do here, remove the seat. See these two clips on the front. And it comes right out. Our next step is going to be somehow getting these out. By the looks of it, there's hinges down here and on the other side, and there's a 10mm bolt in the middle. So we'll start with getting these trims off here, and then hopefully we should get access to the hinges for the seats. So, that comes out there. Like that. There's the seat removed. So that's now most of the interior trims moved from the back half of the car. The only bits that are still in place are the little rubbers there that go up to the headlining. I believe those will have to come out after the A-pillar trim, so I've left those in for the moment. And I'll take those out when I take out the headlining, the handles and the light there. But now, move on to the dash. It's going to be a bit trickier than the rest of the car because there's going to be a lot of hidden screws and for work around the steering column and a few things like that. So let's get on with it. The first thing I do is remove the steering wheel and the columns around here. This gives us a lot better access to do everything in the dash. So I decided to do a bit of work off camera, just getting the dash pad out, getting the glove box out and so on. Now to get the dash pad out, there's a screw on this end and same on the other end. There's a few screws under the above the gauges there, and some bolts under the dash as well. Now it looks like it's just about ready to come out. There we go. So do that now. Radio falling down. That unplugged. That's it. C3. That is out. That's got covered in all the crap and dust.
You can have that too.
Thank you. All the dust, all the crap. Those screws on the back.
I got it. Hey, they're broken.
Yep.
You could almost just tear that last one.
No, that's what's to stay. There's a couple of things I want to talk about before I bring this episode to a close. Firstly, these plastic trim bits. The plastic cover of the rear seat striker. The plastic cover that goes over the screws for the rear handles on the roof. So I'm going to have a go at 3D modeling these, and hopefully 3D printing them. This one is just really brittle, the other one broke as well. So it would be good to get these remade, especially this here as well. This is the only one that came out relatively intact, and even then there's a tab broken off the front of it. So again, that should be something I should be able to 3D model, a lot easier than the cover there as well. If I do end up doing that, I'll let you guys know. Might do an episode on it as well, just showing the process. And I hopefully might be able to get some parts made and for other people who need them. So with that, I'm going to call it a wrap. So we've got a fair bit of work done, removing the dash, removing interior trims, removing door cards, carpet, got the headlining out, rear seats, trims in the boot and so on. We've still got a bit of work to do removing wiring looms and removing the glass. But that will be in a later episode where we strip this car and prepare it for sandblasting before paint. So, the next episode will be moving on to driveline. So that'll be engine out, gearbox out, and basically anything the car doesn't need to still roll around. So, thank you all for watching, and thanks for the support on the last episode as well. So, with that, we'll see you next time.